Welcome to the Odoo AI Assistant. Open any view. Create, update, duplicate records. Attachment support. Export records in CSV, Excel. Full screen and dark mode support. Managing your business just got a whole lot smarter. Introducing Odoo Copilot, your AI-powered assistant, built directly inside Odoo. It's accessible from anywhere. Just click the AI icon in the top bar and your assistant is ready. The moment it opens, Copilot greets you with quick start suggestions like create a sales order, check inventory, or analyze revenue. But you're not limited to suggestions. Just type in any language, and Copilot understands. We asked it to find all sales orders for our customer, ReadyMat. Copilot searches your live Odoo data and returns every matching record, each one a clickable link that opens the record directly. Now here's where it gets really powerful. Copilot can work with your actual documents. We attached a purchase order PDF and typed just 3 words, duplicate this PO. Copilot read the document, found the record in the system, and executed the action, without us touching a single menu. Seconds later, purchase order P00014 was created and opened automatically. One document, one instruction, done. For users who want more space, Copilot also has a full screen mode. Click Expand and you get a full workspace with your entire conversation history on the left. And yes, Odoo Copilot fully supports dark mode. Clean, modern, and easy on the eyes. Copilot can also handle data operations entirely through conversation. We asked it to export a list of all installed apps as a CSV. Copilot opened the export dialog, pre-selected all the relevant fields, and had the file ready to download. No manual setup required. Odoo Copilot. Open it from anywhere, create records from documents, work in full screen, export data by simply asking, and enjoy a seamless dark mode experience. Your ERP, supercharged by AI.